need to practice those solos. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon everybody. My name is Kalin and I've been a guitarist for 12 years now. I have 2 successful bands and a single album. Today we're going to be talking about the top 7 qualities of being a successful and a great guitarist. Step 1. Perfect your songs to the smallest detail. When you're playing a song, you should want to perfect every small part of the song. So for example, perfect the intro, the chorus, the verse. And how you usually do that is you stop at a part that you want to perfect. And then you start playing it over and over again until you get it to a state where you're comfortable, you're confident to play it on stage. You want to make sure that, for example, you focusing on palm muting in the riffs, you're focusing on legato in the solos, and really make sure that those techniques are perfected. You have something to show and somehow to inspire the people that you want to play in front of. Perfect thick, nice guitar tone is very important to have, and make sure you stand out. You need the best distortion out there. If you have the right combination between a pedal and a guitar, and have the perfect tone that you want, make sure you do that before rehearsal. Clean tone focus on having those, each note being able to be heard separately and together when you're playing open strings. You make sure that every part is perfected, and if it's not, go back to it and just spend more time with it until you get it right. Step 3. Invent time to practice more than you think you can. Yeah, you want to make sure that you're spending more time than you think you can, and yeah, don't be playing those games, don't be drinking or doing all that shit. Make sure you create time for your playing, because again, you want to be focusing on what's important and step aside from things that will not get you towards your goal. Choose wisely your time spent so you have more time to practice, and you must know that there's always somebody else out there that's gonna outplay you, so make sure you spend more time playing the guitar. It's 90% consistency and 10% skill. Step 4. Stop playing when the band is talking. So make sure whenever your band starts a conversation between songs, not to be playing your guitar, because that just doesn't seem right. First of all, you want to be paying attention to what the others are saying, and you want to contribute to that conversation, because after all, it's your band, it's your teammates. You want to work together as a coherent team. Step 5. Have a very well defined stage behavior. So you want to make sure that you have the proper stage behavior up front, and you have practiced it before you've gone on stage, or even you want to do it in rehearsals. Just steam out and have fun, and it might come naturally. Step 6. Be the solo virtuoso. So in order to be a great guitarist, you need to practice those solos. You need to practice those solo guitar skills, legato, vibrato, using your wah pedal, using delay and reverb. Step 7. Be the best riff master. So you want to play those riffs pretty well, because 80% of the song is riffs. So you want to make sure you practice those and get them perfectly. I really hope you like those 7 qualities of being a great guitarist. Be sure to leave a comment if you enjoyed these, and please subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.